Hey guys, welcome to my new listing. We're at 14251 Heritage Landing Boulevard. It's unit 1715. It's a Diangelo ground floor social membership, priced at the bottom of the market here. Aggressive sellers, and they're serious. They want to move this property. So we start out with our single detached car garage. Check this out. It's absolutely beautiful, neat as a pin. You could probably eat off of this floor. And I just wanted to show you the storage possibilities that you have because it is just so well done. Then we come into our first screened-in lanai. There's two of these. There's one in front and one in back. Isn't this thing adorable? Great for socializing, meeting with your neighbors, very conveniently located, all of that. Come on inside. Right over here, we've got our guest suite. So you've got bedroom and a bathroom. Take a look. Here we have our laundry, full size in this closet, washer and dryer. Over here we have our owner's suite. This is a king size bed just for spatial reference and so forth. Isn't she a stunning decorator? I can't believe it. Two walk-in closets, a his and hers. There's also a linen closet here. Your ensuite bath. Love the upgraded glass door there. Nice touch. The back here has a real great room effect. We'll get to the den in a moment. So loving this living room. It's just all very open, light and bright. Her lighting that she chose, this package is stunning. The fans are silent. We've got upgraded appliances. We've got counter space for days. Great for cutting, prepping, serving. Look at this pantry. I mean, this woman is organized, color-coded. Everything has its place. Amazing. Love that. There's also storage over here, though. I mean, you guys, the storage in this unit is fantastic. And that's really important because we don't have basements here. Again, the upgraded refrigerator. She also has the upgraded dishwasher and the upgraded oven. Over here, I want to point out, we have $1 million view. I'm not kidding. This is arguably one of the best views we have in the community. This pond or lake or whatever you want to call it is just full of wildlife. It's like sitting out here watching National Geographic. You've got the preserve behind that pond, and it's not going anywhere. That's environmentally protected land. You've got mangroves behind that because 1.5 miles out, you hit Charlotte Harbor. Okay. So this is, I think I mentioned it in the beginning, a social membership. So you've got the Tiki bar, the clubhouse, I forgot to tell you about the den. Yes, we have this too. Great for officing or overflow. You can have a pull-out sofa. They also upgraded with these nice French doors and the little window pane style. I like that a lot. Okay, social membership. Where was I? We've got a tiki bar, clubhouse, resort pool, bocce ball, pickleball, tennis, all kinds of social, a full social calendar so you can get to know your new neighbors and make friends, right? There's also these satellite pools. And in reference to this particular unit, it is just down the sidewalk, a very short distance. And you have that for more of an intimate, or you just want a quick dip and cool off. So it's nice that you have options, right? This place is priced very aggressively. These sellers want to move, so they came out strong and with a real serious list price. So I would love to show you this place in person. Go to buyahousewithbarbie.com, like, subscribe, and follow me. But let's talk about your wish list.